Hi there. Let me ask you a question. Do you wake up feeling stuck, unloved, insecure, poor, unhealthy, anxious? Now, what would you say if I told you that all these could be erased? Because in this 4-hour workshop that I'm doing called Course Correct Your Life in 2020, I am going to show you actual steps to get your life back on track in 2020. I will show you steps based on scientific evidence to restart your life in this new decade. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Avril Q, energy alignment and life transformation coach and a Kundalini yoga teacher. And through my company, Avril's Q's, I help people to align, attract and achieve whatever they want into their lives in just weeks. So now the question you need to ask yourself is this. Are you ready for change? Are you ready for miracles? Are you ready to live your best life? Because if you are, you're at the right place. For those of you who are not, too bad, I can't help you there. So there are just two things you need to do. Number one is pick up your phone, and I know you have one. The second thing is belief. Belief that this step of taking action today is going to start you on a course of catapulting your life into sheer magnificence. So what will you decide today? Atma Namaste.